At ReAgent, we manufacture EP water in large volumes. This grade of water meets European Pharmacopoeia requirements, an international standard that specification guarantee a certain level of quality. We package EP water in our clean rooms. The process begins with our deionized water, which is purified through twin-pass reverse osmosis and ultraviolet sterilisation, ensuring adherence to the stringent EP standards. EP water has very low impurity levels and meets rigorous specifications like conductivity under 5.1 microsiemens and nitrates less than 0.2 ppm. This makes it the grade of water you need for applications demanding high and consistent standards. ReAgent can supply EP water in any container size from 25 litre to 1000 litre IBCs, and we can flex and scale to your needs. ReAgent has multiple ISO quality accreditations, and our EP water undergoes weekly in-house testing as well as regular third-party testing, so you get consistent purity and safety. Our system is fully validated and is sanitised regularly to control bioburden. With nearly 50 years of expertise and a commitment to excellence, ReAgent is your trusted partner in EP and other types of purified water. Contact us today to discuss your requirements.